Are you looking for the best smart security camera? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best smart security camera on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Kasa Indoor Security Camera. The Kasa Indoor Pan Tilt Smart Security Camera, EC70, is a versatile and budget-friendly solution for home monitoring, particularly suitable for pet and baby surveillance. It offers 1080p HD video quality with 360 degrees pan and 118 degrees tilt capabilities, ensuring comprehensive coverage of your space. The camera operates on a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection and features infrared night vision, allowing for clear viewing even in low-light conditions. Motion detection alerts are sent directly to your smartphone, and the camera supports both cloud and local storage via microSD card, up to 256 GB, providing flexibility in how you store footage. Additionally, it integrates seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant, enabling voice control for added convenience. With its user-friendly setup and reliable performance, the EC70 is a practical choice for those seeking an affordable and effective home security camera. Number 2. Wyze Cam OG Security Camera. The Wyze Cam OG is a budget-friendly, wired indoor-outdoor security camera designed to enhance home surveillance. It offers 1080p HD video quality with a 120 degrees field of view, ensuring clear monitoring of your surroundings. Equipped with a built-in 40-lumen spotlight, it provides color night vision, allowing for detailed footage even in low-light conditions. The camera features motion detection and a loud, motion-activated alarm to alert you of any unusual activity. Two-way audio enables real-time communication, and it integrates seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control. The Wyze Cam OG is IP65 rated, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, and is available at an affordable price point, making it an excellent choice for those seeking reliable home security without a hefty investment. Number 3. Blink Mini 2. The Blink Mini 2 is a compact, plug-in smart security camera designed for both indoor and outdoor use, offering a range of features to enhance home surveillance. It provides 1080p HD video quality with a 143 degrees field of view, ensuring clear and wide coverage. The camera is equipped with a built-in spotlight, enabling color night vision, and features two-way audio for real-time communication. Motion detection alerts are sent to your smartphone, allowing you to monitor activity remotely. For outdoor use, the Blink weather-resistant power adapter is required, which is sold separately. The Blink Mini 2 integrates with Alexa, enabling voice control for added convenience. While the camera offers basic functionality without a subscription, subscribing to Blink's service unlocks additional features such as cloud storage and extended live view capabilities. Priced at $19.99, the Blink Mini 2 offers an affordable solution for those seeking reliable home security. Number 4. SEHMUA Solar Security Camera. The SEHMUA Solar Security Camera Wireless Outdoor offers a comprehensive surveillance solution with its 2K high-definition resolution, ensuring clear and detailed video capture both day and night. Equipped with a built-in spotlight, it provides color night vision, enhancing visibility in low-light conditions. The camera's 360 degrees panoramic view, achieved through pan and tilt capabilities, allows for extensive coverage of your property. Its PIR motion sensor detects movement, triggering real-time alerts to your smartphone for immediate response. Designed for outdoor use, the camera boasts an IP65 waterproof rating, ensuring durability against various weather conditions. Installation is straightforward, and the camera operates wirelessly, reducing the need for complex wiring setups. For more information and to purchase, visit the SEHMUA product page. Number 5. SOVMIKU 2CQ1 Solar Security Camera. The SOVMIKU 2CQ1 AI 2K Solar Security Camera is a comprehensive outdoor surveillance solution designed for modern security needs. This wireless, battery-powered camera boasts a 2K resolution, ensuring clear and detailed video capture both day and night. Its 360 degrees pan and tilt functionality allows for extensive coverage, while the built-in monocrystalline silicon solar panel, with an energy conversion rate of up to 23%, ensures continuous operation by efficiently harnessing solar energy. Equipped with a high-capacity 9000 mAh battery, a full charge can keep the camera operational for over 60 days, reducing the frequency of recharges and extending its lifespan beyond 8 years. The camera features color night vision, two-way audio, and motion detection capabilities, enhancing its effectiveness as a security device. Additionally, it includes an audible flashlight siren to deter potential intruders. Setup is straightforward, and the camera is compatible with the EufyCam Home app, allowing for remote monitoring and control. For more information and to purchase, visit the SOVMIKU product page.